In this video, we'll guide you through the easy and simple process of setting up your comfy Cubs Kids bookshelf right out of the box. Here's what's included: 3 sideboards, 1 tall backboard, 1 bottom board, 3 shelf boards, 4 supporting boards, 1 fabric sling with 6 rods, and all necessary hardware. Step 1. Build the shelf tower. Begin with the tall backboard. At the top, insert a screw into the center hole and tighten it securely with a screwdriver. Then, take wooden dowels and place them into the left and right holes. Next, take shelf board number 4 and line it up with the backboard so the holes fit over the screw and dowels. Press down firmly. Insert a cam lock into the hole on shelf board 4 and lock it into place. Continue working your way down the backboard, repeating this process for shelf boards number 5, 6, and 7. Make sure the holes align, press down, and secure each shelf with a cam lock. Once that is completed, add the bottom board, number 9. Insert a screw into the center hole and tighten. Place wooden dowels into the side holes. Then align the board with the bottom shelf. Push down firmly, add a cam lock, and tighten it to lock everything in place. Step 2. Attach the sides. Prepare sideboard number 1. Insert screws into the plastic inserts and tighten them securely. If a plastic insert is missing, use one of the spare inserts provided. Next, place wooden dowels into all of the open holes on the sideboard. Line up this sideboard with the left side of the backboard and shelves, and press down firmly. If it doesn't fit easily, check that all dowels are properly aligned. If the board still isn't fully aligned, carefully apply pressure until it locks into place. Once the sideboard is seated correctly, secure it with the cam locks. Repeat the same process for sideboard number 2 on the right side. Insert screws. Add dowels. Align with the backboard and shelves. Press down. Insert cam locks into the designated holes and tighten it securely with a screwdriver. Once that is completed, insert cam locks into the holes under shelf board 7 and lock them in place. Finally, lift the unit to access the back panel, board 8. Insert cam locks into the designated holes and tighten them securely. Step 3. Add panels and fabric shelf. Move to the bottom of sideboard 2. Insert screws into the plastic inserts and tighten. Add wooden dowels into the remaining holes. Take panel board 12, line it up with the dowels, press down firmly, and lock it in place with cam locks. Repeat this step on the back side. Insert the screws and tighten them securely. Add the wooden dowels. Then position panel board 11 over the dowels and lock it in place with the cam locks. Repeat this process one more time at the top using panel board 10. Next, take the wooden rods and fabric sling. Slide the rods through the sling one by one. Place one side of the rods into the holes on the side one by one to form the fabric shelf. Step 4. Finishing touches. Finally, prepare sideboard number 3. Insert screws into the plastic inserts and tighten. Place wooden dowels into the remaining holes. Align the dowels and screws with panel boards 10, 11, and 12. Then, take the other side of the rods in the fabric sling and line them up with the holes on sideboard 3. Once everything is aligned, secure the remaining holes with cam locks. Your comfy Cubs Kids bookshelf is now ready for use. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you, and enjoy your new comfy Cubs Kids bookshelf.